Do you know what this is? Fluffy. Before we go into it, I know some want to have that beautiful figure, shape, good weight. And some think because of that, I have to skip this. I have to skip food. I have to starve myself to be slim. When some of us too busy to take the breakfast, off to work we go. And all other that. But wait, did you know skipping breakfast can affect our mood, brain power, and energy throughout the day, and even cause serious health issues over time? Of course, I know what must be going on in your mind right now. Oh, that's what everybody says. I have been skipping breakfast and it's working very well for me. Oh, everyone's system must not be the same. Yes, I know. But just listen to these few words. Let's go through this science together. First, breakfast is the first meal we eat after sleeping when we wake up. It kickstarts our metabolism. So when I say metabolism, what do you mean by metabolism? It's the process, simply the process by which our body converts the food, the drinks we consume into energy. This provides our brain with the glucose it needs for the day's activity. So, skipping this food can lead to lower focus, irritability, and overeating later. Have you asked yourself why you still retain that your weight with all the starving? Then to the most important part of today's learning. Skipping breakfast can lead to an increase in stress hormone. Now grab your chair and come closer. Let's go through this science together. Alright, so what happens when we skip breakfast? Right, when you skip breakfast, it can lead to an increase in your stress hormone. And this stress hormone is called cortisol. This cortisol hormone is produced by your adrenal gland, which is located in our kidney, on the top part of the kidney. So naturally, cortisol hormone increases in the early mornings when you wake up in the morning, and it gets you moving, then gradually decreases throughout the day. So eating the breakfast can actually regulate this pattern by signaling to the body that it's time to be active and also to metabolize the nutrients we eat. And when you skip this important meal, breakfast, what do you think will happen? Your body may perceive it as a sign of stress due to the lack of incoming energy. This can disrupt that normal function of the cortisol regime, leading to increased cortisol levels. So later in the day, this can contribute to other health issues over time. Now, just give me one reason you won't eat in the morning. Make sure you break this fast after waking up with these. Let's dive into the cooking of today. Fried oatmeal yam. Don't go, just sit around and watch how we prepare this breakfast. You see how fluffy it is? You can take it with your chocolate hot drink in the morning. Sit around. Let's do it together.